Hey guys, Tom's here, and I'm going to show you how to use TradingView. So I've got it up here, but it's tradingview.com. As you can see here, tradingview.com. There we go. So just give me a second to load up. You got to set yourself up an account. It's no different to any other account that you've set up online. You know what I mean? Email address, verify it, give yourself a name, then you're on. I'm not going to show you that. I'm sure you'll be able to figure that out yourself. It's just like anything you open up, you sign up with. Okay, so here we are on the main page. And over here, you see the word ticker. That is pretty much a fancy word for saying, what do you want to look at? So for crypto sakes, let's go BTC, that's Bitcoin, USDT, that's crypto US dollar. Easiest way to explain it. So when you click enter, it kind of sets up like a little so-called blog overview of Bitcoin versus the US dollar. What I'll do next is pretty much just go full featured chart. So you just go full feature chart there and it loads up. Just give me a second. I'm in the middle of nowhere right now, so not exactly 5G. So let's let it load up, and here we are. We are looking at the chart. So I'm not going to teach you too much about the chart. I'm going to teach you more about TradingView. That can be later on. Okay, so what we have here is we have a chart of Bitcoin, and you have all the tools on the side. So for me, I'm just going to show you an example of what I do when I'm looking at a chart, guys. So all right, so here we are. Up here it says 1 hour. So I'm happy with that. But if you decide to change, just click on it, find the change. But just for our sakes, I'm just going to show you what I do. I'm going to go to the daily. So that means each candle represents 1 day. Oh, excuse me, sorry guys. No. All right, so here we go here. Each candle represents 1 day, yeah? So, vice versa, August, November, here we are now. Bitcoin's just creating new highs at the moment, which is very crazy cool. It pretty much means that everything I've been saying or crypto believers have been saying is happening. So there's a good chance we're going to be looking at 100K Bitcoin in the future. All right, so I'm not seeing much here. I'm just going to get rid of that and get rid of that. I'll get rid of everything just for viewers' sake. So this is a naked chart of Bitcoin on the daily. So what I do is I'll come up here, click the arrow on the side, and go horizontal line. And I'll just start finding support and resistance. So support and resistance, here we go. Like, notice how it bounces, bounce, bounce, bounce. It's struggling to get over that line. That's resistance. Pretty straightforward, yeah. Tops and bottoms is another word for it. We'll just call it tops and bottoms for now, just so you can understand it. See, I'm seeing tops here, bottoms here. Got a little bit of a top bottom going on here. See here, it's got a top, bottom, top, breaks out, bottom, breaks out the top, and it's going up now. So my main focus is pretty much, there's not much structure in Bitcoin at the moment. So I'm just going to show you what I want to do anyway. So to get these lines, just come over here. It's the second one down. That's all I do. I don't use much other stuff. So I'm just going to show you what I do, because too much noise, it kind of gets in the way. So I found the main support areas, and then I'll zoom in. I'll go to the hourly, and this is what we have. So, sorry, let's move this out of the way. Right there. So here, what we have here is our trend line. I found to get that line, it's in here as well. So just remember that the last two things that I've done is I've gone in here, I've got that star there and that there as well. So there we go. I've found that here. So that's pretty much just bouncing off that line right there. That's all it's doing. So I'm not gonna find an entry because it's just not my style. I know we all win and I know we all lose. And there's a good chance that if I went in there, I'll probably lose money. So I'm not really too excited about entering. I'm seeing a bit of a support level here. If it breaks down, it could bounce off there because of those and go back up. That's pretty much how trading works, guys. You look at a chart, you find support areas, you find trend lines to see which way it's going, and then you wait for it to touch these levels, and you enter the trade. Simple as that. At the moment, I'm not feeling Bitcoin, so I'm going to show you this. It could keep going. It could keep going all the way up. Keep going. And you want to buy here because you think it's going to go up even more, and then it comes down. So you don't want to do that. I would rather wait for it to break out of that and maybe bounce here. It might, and then come up here, or it might break down through there, come up, hit that. Just keep your eyes on that yellow box. That yellow box is where I'm looking for levels to enter, and then come back down. So that's my two scenarios here. It'll always go up, it'll always go down, but it's a matter of knowing when it's going to go down and when it's going to go up. You know what I mean? So this is why trading is very important. And this is once you start trading, you've got to find this very, very useful, because also the exchanges that you'll be trading on has TradingView. So that's pretty much the basics of it. I'm going to teach you right now. Just come in here, have a play around with all this. This is all your tools you need for trading. Just remember that you come in here, so tradeview.com, you go in here, you write your symbol, Ethereum, USD, just go find something else. Click enter, it'll load up the top. Bitcoin's still going crazy, guys. Wonder how the election's going to make it work. I'll just close that. Let it load up, and then you click the full chart. And yeah, it'll load up Ethereum, USD. So same thing. Oh, here we go. A lot of action coming on with Ethereum. Yeah, see, it broke out of that trend, came up. A lot of big money's coming through. You can see it's pushing these big candles. Means these are really good things. I like it when I see this, because if you buy it here, and if you buy it there, and you catch that run, and you have your stop loss in there, you're gonna do pretty good. This is another tool that I use for setting up my trades. The red line means that that's how much money I'm going to lose. The green is how much I'm going to take profit at. So it's a very handy tool as well. I'm going to do a course on your risk to reward ratio. We'll talk about that in the future. But at the moment, I was playing around with TradingView. It's going to seem a little complicated for you at the start, guys. But you know, like It's like anything. You just jump on, you log in, create an account. You don't have to upgrade or anything, and just play around with these tools. Know where to find the charts, know when to find it, and yeah, I really want you guys to learn how to use this because it will make your job easier to make money off trading. It will make my job easier to teach you. So hopefully that helped you, and that's the best way to start your trading journey. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to sign off now because obviously there's not much more to say. I'll just blabber on. So thank you for your time, and yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Any questions, please yell out. Thank you.